Hey, and welcome to Thursday. Today we are going to be doing your second summative journal entry. So, our learning target is we can write a summative journal about South Korean education from the perspective of a Korean teenager or your character. So we have a warm-up. We are advising that you look back at your feedback from your last journal entry. There might be tips in there that kind of help you with this new one as far as how to write as your character, or maybe it's just good to see what grade you got, and see what feedback you have. And then to work on your summative journal number 2, that is due tomorrow, so you have all of today and all of tomorrow to work on it. And then lastly, join the office hours if you need help. We are available all day except for third hour, so come on in if you need a little extra help. Just go to the warm-up. If you had a South Korean pen pal, how would you describe to them schooling in America? So a pen pal is someone you write or communicate back and forth with from someone else in a country/world. I didn't know if I had to describe that or not. Not sure if that's still what we use, but basically, let's say you have a friend online, Discord or whatever chat service that you use, and they asked you what school is like. What are some ways that you would describe going to school day in and day out? And that is your rule. From there, number 2, you must use the following words: education, school, daily schedule, best or number 1, and pressure. As always, make sure you look through this to see what we're looking for, and then when you are done with it and it's been graded, check back here to see what we gave you and anything you can do to make your grade higher. And then lastly, before I go, I just really want to point out, if you want a little extra help, if you're struggling for how to start your journal, what to say, we made this little video and it pretty much just explains different ideas as to how to get writing. Good luck, and once again, join those office hours if you need any help.